So we're out on the beach today, hanging out, just chilling out, and they decided that they wanted to bring the Hobie Outback and just play in the kayak today. So we're all just kind of taking turns playing and pedaling the Hobie Outback. Hobie. The kayak was free. I just had to pay a lot of money for the hat. Okay, she's coming out for her maiden voyage. Whoa, 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 don't get it yet. Maiden voyage on the Hobie Outback. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's see what happens. Maiden voyage.
I really liked it.
Post Hobie Outback maiden voyage interview. What are your thoughts, lady?
Well, you need to be strong in the knees, but it's better than paddling.
Got that right.
Yeah. So I made much more distance paddling than I would have paddling.
Just a quick run through of the 2015 Hobie Outback. This kayak is 12 foot long. Back here in the back we have a rudder system, storage, another cargo area. In 2015 they updated the seat. The seat is now totally awesome. Over here you got a rudder system, and this is how you steer the kayak. You got more storage right here. Now this right here is the heart of the system. This is the Hobie Mirage system. It's a pedal drive, so you can kayak hands-free. It fits right down in there and locks in, and these fins kind of simulate how a penguin actually swims. The 2015 Outback comes with its own paddle. You strap it in right here. It's got rod holders. It's got 4 rod holders. It's got these cool little storage trays in the on the top of the walls of the kayak, the gunnels, what I used to call them. It's got more storage up front and storage pockets right here, mesh. These come in very handy, and it's just an absolute machine, fun to fish out of and fun just to recreate out of. Beautiful day. We're at Oak Island, North Carolina. We're on the point. Just having some fun out the kayak. Just gorgeous out here. It's what Sundays were made for.